So my niece is here. And she's gonna do my makeup. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So my niece Bella is here, and I don't know if she wants to be on camera or not, so wave. She said hi. So stick around and we'll see what she comes up with. That's Wally. He says hello. So this is my niece, and she is, well, her hand, and she is doing a day look on me. She didn't want to have her face on screen, and I am going to respect that. But I get to say some things about her, right? Like, I am proud of the young lady she's become. She has been, her parents and her sibling and herself have been stationed overseas for a long time, and I haven't been able to see her for a couple years, and so I was loving the fact that I got to be with her. I didn't get to spend as much time with her as I want because she tried to fit everybody in to a few day period, but I'm glad she's back in the Midwest, and she's just a short drive instead of a long flight away. She is creative. I couldn't get over how creative she was with this. And she makes me laugh. I mean, one of the things I'm known for is getting fart putty or noise sludge, or I may have been known to go to Walmart and see it there for like $1 and buy 14 of them, and then get in trouble when they hit the carpet and create a mess. Maybe. It's been a while. I've learned my lesson. I swear I've learned my lesson. I don't buy 15 now. But, yeah. So we took the night and got to play. I have no idea the products we used. We just had a good time. So my niece and I since we were playing in makeup, I didn't keep track of anything we were keeping or we were using, so it was fun. We had fun with it. She's starting my night look, and I remember she went in with something from the Kat Von D 10th anniversary palette, but she also dipped into a lot of others, so we were just having a good time. Perhaps the fart putty is for me. I mean, come on. She got to play with it, memories, but I played with it and I bought it. Stuff's funny. Oh, and whatever this palette she had just shown the camera, she got it at 7th Avenue and she loves it. Had to show it off. So if you guys happen to have caught enough of that, maybe if you see it at 7th Avenue, you'll enjoy it. Just a thought. Alright, so this is the final night look. And I had an issue with the mascara, so the star. And here's the both sides in a scarily close shot. Ugh. Oh, so guys, if you like what you see here, like, subscribe, and comment below. See you later. Bye.